Hey there! Cryptocurrencies have been making waves for years, but the big question remains, are they the future of investing or just a passing trend? In this video, we're diving into the evolving role of cryptocurrencies in personal finance and whether they're really a good long-term investment. Stick around to find out. Let's kick things off with a quick look at how we got here. Cryptocurrencies. Remember when Bitcoin first hit the scene in 2009? Back then, people didn't really know what to make of it. Fast forward to today, and it's become a household name. And it's not just Bitcoin anymore. We've got Ethereum, Solana, Cardano, and thousands of other coins. But where are we headed? More and more people are talking about crypto as the future of money. But here's where it gets interesting. It's not just about buying crypto anymore. It's becoming part of everyday finance. Some people are paying bills with crypto, while others are using it for saving or even retirement funds. But does this mean it's a safe bet for the long run? Now let's talk personal finance. How does crypto fit in with regular folks like you and me? Traditionally, when we think of managing money, we're looking at savings accounts, stocks, or maybe some real estate. Cryptocurrencies, though, that's a whole different animal. Unlike your regular savings account, crypto is volatile. One day your Bitcoin could be worth a fortune, and the next, it could plummet. That unpredictability makes some people nervous, but others see it as an opportunity to grow their wealth fast. Take Bitcoin, for example. It shot up to over $60,000 per coin, then dropped back to around $30,000 in a matter of months. That's a wild ride for anyone, especially if you're not used to the ups and downs of investing. So how does this impact your personal finances? Here's a quick breakdown. Pros: cryptocurrencies offer the chance for high returns in a short time. They're decentralized, meaning they're not controlled by any government or bank. You've got ownership of your money, and transactions can be super fast. But the cons: huge volatility, potential for massive losses, and the fact that it's still not fully regulated. If you're planning on putting crypto in your retirement fund, for example, you've got to be ready for some serious swings. So the million-dollar question: can cryptocurrencies be a solid long-term investment? Let's break it down in simple terms. When we talk about long-term investments, we're usually looking for something stable, something that grows steadily over time, like stocks or real estate. But crypto doesn't exactly fit that mold. Here's the thing: crypto is still in its early stages. Even though it's been around for over a decade, compared to stocks or gold, it's the new kid on the block. That means it's more unpredictable. One year, your crypto might shoot up 300%, and the next year, it could lose half its value. We've seen wild price swings, and that makes long-term planning tricky. On the flip side, some people believe that because it's still new, the potential for long-term growth is huge. Look at early Bitcoin investors. If you had bought Bitcoin in 2011, you'd be sitting on massive gains today. But hindsight is always 20/20, right? Let's talk about the future. What's next for crypto as an investment? We're starting to see more widespread adoption, with countries like El Salvador even making Bitcoin legal tender. And major companies are getting in on the action too. Tesla, PayPal, even Visa are dabbling in crypto. So, does this mean we're heading towards mass adoption? Maybe. But before you go all in, it's important to remember that the future of crypto is still uncertain. Governments around the world are figuring out how to regulate it. And while more people are using it, we're still a long way from crypto replacing traditional currencies. That's why it's crucial to keep an eye on how things evolve. Okay, so let's say you're interested in dipping your toes into the crypto world. What's the best approach? First, and most important, don't invest money you can't afford to lose. Remember, crypto is volatile. A good strategy is to start small and diversify. Maybe hold a small portion of your portfolio in crypto, while keeping most of your money in safer, more traditional investments like stocks or bonds.
Another tip: do your research.
There are thousands of coins out there, but not all of them are created equal. Bitcoin and Ethereum are more established, but there are tons of altcoins that come and go quickly. Make sure you know what you're investing in. So, is crypto a good long-term investment? Well, that depends on your risk tolerance. If you're comfortable with the ups and downs and have a solid long-term plan, crypto could be part of your portfolio. But if you're looking for stability, you might want to stick with more traditional assets. One thing's for sure: cryptocurrencies are here to stay, and they're going to play a bigger role in personal finance moving forward. At the end of the day, it's all about finding the right balance. Crypto might not replace your savings account anytime soon, but it's worth keeping an eye on, especially as the world of finance keeps evolving.
All right, that's a wrap.
What do you think? Are cryptocurrencies the future of long-term investing, or are they just a wild ride that's not worth the risk? Let me know in the comments. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content just like this. Thanks for watching.